Good day to you. Please introduce yourself.
Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Mylene Cabanting, 37 years old, married. We have 2 children, 1 girl 11 years old, 1 boy 2 years old. I have 3 sisters and only brothers. I am the eldest of the family. I finished my college graduate and I took up Bachelor of Elementary Education.
Okay. Do you have experience abroad?
Yes, I work abroad in Singapore. 2 years contract, and I take care 3 children and doing all the household chores. My second employer is in Hong Kong. I finished 6 years. I took care 1 child and I doing all the household chores like cleaning, washing, doing laundry, cleaning, cooking, marketing, and I took care 1 cat.
Okay. How would you describe yourself?
I am honest, responsible, and hardworking.
Do you have any tattoo?
I don't have.
Do you have a surgery or serious sickness before?
Yes, I have CS 2 years ago.
Okay. Do you have an allergy to certain foods?
No, I don't.
Do you smoke and drink alcohol?
No.
Why do you want to work abroad?
I want to work abroad because I want to provide my family needs, especially my children, and to have a financially stable.
Okay. If you get hard, who will take care of the children?
My husband and my in-laws.
If you're homesick, what would you do?
I will make myself busy, and I will put on mind the importance of my job.
Okay. What time do you usually sleep and wake up when you were working?
I sleep at 10 p.m. and wake up at 5 a.m.
Okay. Are you the one who does the cooking, do market at home?
Yes.
Sometimes kids are super active and they tend to be out of control. How would you control your temper?
I'll be more patient and I will talk to them nicely and properly.
Okay. Do you accept no off days but to be paid instead by employer?
Yes.
When you visited the parents, relatives, and friends of your employer, will you help and do the housework there?
Yes.
Can you promise not to lend money in Hong Kong?
No.
Are you scared of dogs and cats?
Yes.
Are you willing to share room with kids?
Yes.
Do you promise to not to use cell phone during working hours?
Yes.
Do you promise to finish your contract?
Yes.
Can you cook a Chinese food?
Yes.
Can you sing a nursery song?
Yes. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The wheels on the bus go round and round, all through the town.
Okay. What is your message to your future employer?
Good day, sir, ma'am. I hope you will choose me as your helper. I am responsible, hardworking, honest. I will make sure that I will do my best to provide your family